Hi friends, I'm Kelty, and today I'm going to teach you how to get my signature look, the top knot. So this is how I make my top knot. First of all, it's better if your hair is really dirty because that's when it gets like super big and fluffy. And what I do is I just brush my hair back into like what would be a total high ponytail. And you want to make sure to brush it so far forward on your head that your top knot's gonna sit on top of your head, because if you pull your ponytail where you normally put a ponytail, it's gonna look like a ballerina bun at the back, and ballerinas are cool, but we want it to be like super on top of your head. I take this little dude that I picked up at like the dollar store, and it looks like a bracelet or something, and I stick it in my hair like this on top, and I pull my hair all the way up to the top of where the hair starts coming out, like all the little pieces, and then I just wind it up like this, and then you take this together, the ends, and you click it like a little click click. Just snaps together just like that, okay? Then you sort of have this weird top thing on your head. So then what I do is I just kind of pull at it, pull the pieces, pull this hair around to cover up where the plastic is. You can see that, yeah? Like that. And I just kind of like pull different pieces out like that. And then I take a comb and I kind of pull out the front and make it sort of loose. To make sure that it kind of stays all day like this, I always like to take a few bobby pins and just stick it through sort of in the back area to make sure that it stays connected. So I take the hair and I just kind of stick it through the bottom, stick it up like that. So that's kind of the top knot, and then I love to accessorize all my different top knots. Remington has these amazing little hair bows and that I think are super sort of anthropology hippie-ish. So you could put like a little flower on the side, which is super cute. What? Little flower, I love it. Remington makes these great little bobby pins sort of that have a flower on the end, which I think is so cute. And I even like just putting like one kind of just at the back, and it's just unexpected. Nobody expects you to have a flower on the back of your little bow. Remington also makes these really cool headbands with these feathers on them, which I love, as to put a headband right at the front. So you just put, maybe I want to put it on the other side. What? It's like a little headband right here, and then your top knot. It's very Princess Kate. The messier the better. It's supposed to just look like you kind of threw it up. And that's how I achieve my perfect top knot. Show me your top knots, everyone. Top knot, raise the roof, head roll, I'm out.